Hello, today I would like to show you my free energy generator homemade that I made at home. Okay, this is it. And it will be presented based on this electric LED bulb operating on 1.5 volt battery. First I would like to show you that it is not operating without electricity. When I put together these cables, you can see it's not working. The same when I put this cable together with these cables. Okay, you can see this cable and this cable, it's not operating because this generator needs first electric impulse. Let's have a look what we will have when we put it together with this battery. You can see when I put battery in, it's already working. Let's prepare it for this free energy generator. I will put these cables together. Okay, it's connected. And now I will try what it will do with this battery. Okay, you can see it's operating. Now you say, okay, it's operating because the electricity is in. But now it's getting some energy from this battery, and when I put it very quickly together, it's already working without battery. Okay, so you see it's already operating. Now you think, okay, there are wires around, there are no wires, nothing like this, no wires, there is nothing underneath. It's operating, it's working like this, there is no accumulator inside, it's working without any. So this is free energy generator homemade presentation from Wasabi. Okay, the question is it possible, is it not possible, really, is it free energy? It's always the question, but this is the presentation that it can really operate. Thank you for your attention for today. Bye. Okay, it's working.